Okay, welcome German students to class today on this Friday the 14th. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're ready to take your quiz today and do some homework. Also, welcome to class today, Mrs. Chambers, our new supervising teacher, and I hope that she will find this system to use pretty easy, okay? All right, here we go. Let's continue on. There'll be a test on Friday next week. Okay, so make note of that. Test next Friday. Nothing to turn in. There was no homework yesterday, so nothing to turn in. Incomplete. Now, guys, I've said this all week, and I'm going to stick to what I said on this. All of this had to be turned in today. Okay, so if this is not turned in today, I'm not going to read it all. Y'all can see it. Whatever is not turned in today will be turned to a 0, and you will not be able to make it up. Okay, so quizzes here. Now, if some of you took these quizzes, remember, I don't always grade them right away. Plus, with a basketball game last night, I was not able to grade any of the incomplete. So if you took this quiz yesterday, Anna or Libby or Katie, I have it. Don't worry about it. But if you didn't take it, make sure you take your makeup quizzes today, okay? So I'm going to scroll down through here. All of this has to be turned in by today or they will turn to zeros, okay? All right, moving on. If you miss a day of class, it's your job to go to this website, type in the date that you missed, and get caught up. When you come back to class, guys, I expect you to be totally caught up, okay? Unless you email me ahead of time and let me know of situations you can't help, okay? All right, moving on. We'll have a quiz today, and we'll have homework today, the schedule for today. The homework is this, so go ahead and copy that down, please, now. I'll pause a second while you do that. Go ahead and copy down page 269, numbers 3 through 17. Page 269, numbers 3 through 17. Go ahead and copy that down, please. There are a lot of proofs in this assignment, so please use the help video all that you need to. Now, I would advise Ms. Chambers to go ahead and have the video downloaded and ready to roll for when you guys have questions, okay? That's my suggestion. The help video is called Lesson 5.5 Homework. Lesson 5.5 Homework. Okay? That's the help video for today. I want to quickly address the pop quiz yesterday. You should have those passed back to you already, and the grades were amazingly low. Now, I don't want those who were prepared for the quiz to think that I'm a wimp or that I'm not following through. Guys, I wanted to kind of make this a little bit of a warning to get your attention. Okay, so I'm going to count this time as a homework grade. Okay, so Anna and Libby both had 100s, so that's an extra 100 for you guys, okay? The rest of you that did not do well, you received a low grade on a homework assignment, not a quiz. Okay, so hopefully that'll get your attention. I'm going to do that more often, by the way, guys. Especially if Miss Chambers tells me that you guys are not taking notes in class, I'm going to do that more often, okay? And then Jordan Long, I did hear your, I did decide to honor your request on that, but not again. So guys, listen, let's be really clear about something, okay? You know what it comes down to? And this is for the whole class, Jordan, not you. It comes down to organization and discipline, okay? And that's the kind of stuff that you guys need to have in this class, okay? And excuse my voice. My voice is really bad tonight. It's late. It's late Thursday night. But listen, guys. On the notes, I think Jordan stepped out and used the restroom or something. Look, guys, it's just this simple. Excuse me. It's this simple. When you miss class, whether it's for restroom or because you're not at school that day or whatever, it is your job to go home that night and get the rest of your notes. So that will not, little by little, we're going to eliminate these excuses, okay? So the next time we do this, there'll be no excuses. If you were there in class, you should have the notes. And if you were absent the day before and you come in, you should have the notes. Okay, I'm going to be really tough on this, guys. You've got to be organized and you've got to stay on top of your stuff. And that's just how it's going to be. Okay, guys? All right. Go ahead and pause the video at this time and pass out the quizzes. And then once everyone has a quiz on their desk, go ahead and restart the video. Okay, here we go. Take a look at numbers 1, 2, and 3. You're going to fill in the blanks with the correct word, okay? So numbers 1, 2, and 3. No word bank for a quiz, okay? For numbers 1, 2, and 3, fill in the blanks with the correct words, okay? Now, numbers, and by the way, I'm well aware of the fact that I skipped number 4, okay? I just found these problems here in the book, so I use these. They're numbered 5 through 10. But students, look at numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, okay? What I want you to do is decide whether or not you know for sure that the two triangles are congruent. Now, if you don't know for sure, then put in the blank, not enough information, okay? But if you do know that they're congruent, then tell me how you know that. You're either going to put SSS or SAS or ASA or AAS or HL in the blank, okay? So make sure you look down below there and understand how to do that, all right? And that should be it, I believe. Yeah, that's it. Guys, go ahead and start your quiz at this time. And when you're finished, go ahead and start working on the homework assignment. And that's it. Have a really good weekend, and I will talk to you guys on Monday.